Your Majesty, now he's going to give you the welcome speech. The same chief who came here is now going to go and take a mic and give you a welcome speech. All this is by tradition, Your Highness. Ohniba Hiahine, Otufu Abempo, the royal spokesperson, the Achame, introducing Ohniba Hiahine. And finally, the Sebre Otuosrebo, the paramount chief, is coming on behalf of the king to give you the formal welcome. The reason why he's bringing the drink, this is part of our tradition. When you receive a guest, you give them water to drink. That is Dasebre Otuosrebo, the paramount chief, Asante. On behalf of the Asante King, this is the formal welcome to the kingdom. Thank you, Dasebre Otuosrebo, Jobi Mahine.
We present welcome drinks to a very distinguished visitor, and it's the pleasure of the king to introduce 4 bottles of Jody Walker whiskey and 4 bottles of schnapps. Schnapps is a drink with which we pour libation. This was handed over to us by the British, and they were very good salesmen since that time. That's why that there are better brands of drink will still use schnapps as a medium of pouring libation. So we will be pouring libation for you for the success of Eswatini and for your good